What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna kind of take you through the trade. I took a break-even trade today, but I should have made 4 grand across 5 accounts. I should have made 1,600 on expresses, but not like I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but like not following my rules. Kind of like I never hit my break-even point. My break-even point was never hit, and I rushed my stop to break even because I was emotional. So this week I started trading 5 express account, not 5 express, 2 expresses and 3 evals, but 5 accounts overall, and I copy trade them all. And I'm definitely experiencing a lot of emotion with that, but I'm starting to deregulate from that, and I know I am, but it's just annoying because like today should have been a big win day, but I ended up getting stopped break even, which break even is still a win, but I need to not be scared is the thing. That's the thing. I kind of need to not be scared, and that's what I'm working on. So we're gonna get into the video. I'm gonna show you first. I'll show you the P&Ls, right? Uh, right, $9 break even, and you'll see the live trade right here. Bang. Got the 5 minute inverses, respecting the 5 minute. Inverse at 3 minute retracement. 3 minute bearish opens up. We're at break even. We should be fine. Wouldn't see why we would need to turn around before taking any of these lows. Unless this isn't the move. Looks fine. Don't really want to see a retracement because we already hit the 3 minute. That's why I'm fine with this break even. Looks like we're gonna be break even. It's okay. I'm expecting a break even here. It's okay. Break even. We'll see if it would have played out. Looks like it's gonna play out now, but I'm not mad at it though because like kind of terrified of this being at all-time highs, but it's gonna hit for sure. I mean, like, is that wrong for going break even there? We already had tapped that 3-minute. I didn't think we would need to see a big. We'll see. I don't think that's a bad break even, to be honest. Don't want to see us like I want to see this move happen fast. If this is going to be the target. You know what I mean? You guys think that's too much of a rush break even? I don't think so necessarily. I don't know. I've been super. All right, so now we're gonna break down this trade. It was a very good trade, very elite analysis in my opinion. You had to be really locked in. So going into it, right, we're super bullish overall, right? So I know that going into the market. We have this hourly here. We have these hourly lows right here too, right? So we haven't tapped this fair value gap yet, but we probably expect to see it tapped if we're going to continue higher. Because, you know, one of the reasons the market moves is to rebalance, right? So zooming in more, it's like, what are we doing? Okay, let's mark out market open. Market opens marked out, right? Now let's mark out 10 a.m. because that's when I like to trade, right? So we start to get a big sell right in between this market open area. What do we do? We create a bearish fair value gap, right? So this bearish fair value gap kind of gives me confidence that we're probably going to go lower. And where are we probably most likely going to go? Just to rebalance to that bullish fair value gap. You know, we're not expecting us to go down to like China or something like that, right? We're just expecting us to rebalance before we can go higher. So what is a rebalance? A rebalance in itself is a market maker model. So what do you need to see, right? So looking into this, right? So something else is like when you inverse stuff and you have a pullback, the pullback you would want to see inverse to validate the continuation lower. So what do? We have a 3-minute bullish fair value gap. This gets inversed right here, bang. Also aligns with another 3-minute bearish fair value gap that opens up, right? So when I see this, I'm like, okay, we're going to go lower. We inverse the retracement. We're still respecting this 5-minute. I expect us to go lower. I set my limit right at the wick of the 3-minute fair value gap. I put my stop at these highs right here. I get in for 12 cons. Very happy with that overall. I was in for like 342 or something like that. And all I'm doing is targeting right here. So it was like 70 times 12, which was like 820, right? This was what the risk was. And I guess I probably shouldn't have zoomed into the 1-minute really, but I was kind of just watching it. We get a nice push down right away, and I pull my stop to break even at that point, and I was like, I don't really want to see us pull back if we are going to continue lower like that. We end up coming back, stopping me out at break even, and then flushing straight to the move. So there's kind of something here that I want to talk about. One is the pressure that I'm experiencing right now and the psychological effect that it has on me. So overall, right, this trade is very clean, but there's something within me that's like, wow, I'm trading across 5 accounts. I could lose 5 accounts at one time or make 5 accounts at one time. So that's definitely something into the fact. And I need to be better at just trusting my model and trusting my setup and trusting my conviction. I also was still emotional from yesterday when I took a way bigger loss than I wanted to because of like slippage and stuff like that, which that kind of like befuddled me a little bit. But like this trade is so clean on the 3 minute, and there was no reason not to. I should have stayed zoomed on the 3 minute and just let it play out. And like if I get stopped, I get stopped. If I don't get stopped, I don't get stopped. Like that's what it is. That's the reality. There was no need for me to like rush stops to break even before the 3 minute reacting candle even closes. Like once this candle closes, then maybe you can pull your stop. But until the candle closes, I don't think there's a reason to pull the stop. It was pure out of emotion and stuff like that. I missed out on $800 or 4 grand across 5 accounts. And it's just the fact that emotions are a real thing in trading, and it's something you have to overcome if you want to get better at trading. And it's something I know. And like I know like that's how it was the first week on my Express. I was very emotional and took some losses, but like I'm feeling better now and better stuff like that. But and and that's okay, and that's what it is. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much along this journey. We're gonna be good. We'll be back together. Thank you so much. God bless.